Okay, I'm back. I got the chicken all cut up into little pieces. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It just cuts off. I guess because I don't have enough memory. So it might cut off again. But I'm going to save every little video and add it and make it into one video, okay? So you won't miss a thing. Or you won't miss a beat, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, I done seasoned it up, washing my hands again. I don't play with meat. I wash it constantly. Yes, I do. Okay, and dry. Dry. And wipe. Okay. Anywho. Wash again. Now it's time to season my meat. Just listen. First, I'm going to start by putting a little bit of sazon for the color, and it also gives it flavor. Oh, y'all get to see what kind of seasoning I use now for my food. Y'all think y'all slick, huh? Just joking. Sazon. Last bit of this. Onion powder. I love flavor to my food, so that's why I use a bunch of little everything. This is about done, so I might as well finish it up. If you wonder why I keep walking back there, I'm going to the trash. Okay, that was onion powder, right? A little bit of black pepper. Okay. A little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna leave everything down here that I use. I know I use it, so I don't have to reuse it again. Okay. A little bit of cayenne pepper for a little spiciness, not too spicy. A little bit of Cajun. A little bit of adobo. Okay. Had to make sure it was still recording. But like I said, it cuts off without me knowing it. I have to start again. Onion powder, garlic powder. I also use it cut off on me again, folks, but I'm back. I'm using some ground black pepper. What else I want to use? My kicking chicken. And I think that will do me, baby. Do me, baby. Like you never done before. Okay. That's enough for the commercial. I think that's it. I think that will do it. I think that's enough seasoning. Okay, now to get my gloves. Be right back. Not the gloves. Always use that to mix my meat. Mix the flavor all together. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm mixing all the flavor all together. Okay? Get it all in there. Then before, if I want to add more flavoring, I would cook this first and taste it and see if it's seasoned enough before I add more, because I don't want to make it too salty, you know. I want to make it just right. Okay, that's all mixed up. Now, time to get my pot ready. Guess what? I remember I had leftover empanada dough, so I don't have to make it today. That's a plus. I'll make it again another day. Oh, but I know what I'm gonna have to do. I might have to go to the store once I make it to get the oil to fry it. Yes, sirree. Get my onions and peppers out. Okay, I'm back again. It keeps cutting off because I have too many pictures and videos in my phone, which I need to transfer to my computer if I can get that going properly, so I can have more space for recording. Anywho, I'm back in effect. Oh, I don't know if I said on the last video, but I do have empanada dough, so I don't have to make any. So that's a plus. I'm cutting up my peppers. And get it all ready before I start cooking my chicken. So that chicken don't take long to cook. But I might have to pause the video after I cook this meat. And after I stuff my empanadas, I'll show you how I do that too. When I first opened up TitleCC's Kitchen on Facebook, it was just to motivate people to start cooking at home. But it turned out I started cooking for everybody home, which I don't mind. I like cooking. It's fun because I love to create. This camera's still not right because I'm going to lean over too much. See if I can get it right now. Okay, is that better? Okay, yes. But anywho, I've been cooking since I was a kid. I was telling one of my customers, okay, he'd be like, you be getting your flavors on point with your cooking. I said, well, trust me, it started out when I was a kid, and I wanted to cook for my mother. So I started practicing back then. And the only seasoning I was using back then was salt and pepper. Am I still recording? Okay, still recording. It's salt and pepper. And yes, I messed up a few times. Didn't get it right here and there. But I didn't stop. I kept on. I kept trying till I can perfect the flavor to my likings and to others. I'm sure sometimes my stuff might not be as great, but I try my best. And I just keep trying. And I'd like to try different things and see how they come out. I love the guava and cheese pastry that the Cubans be making. So that's going to be my next task. I'm going to try that. See how that comes out. Cooking is a science. You get all your flavors together, and everything you need, and it falls into place, and voila. You got a dish that people can enjoy. See, that's why I don't like doing videos, because it takes long to get the food going. But if you want to sit there and watch, see it cut off again, you know. Let's see where it cut off at. Oh, no, it didn't cut off. Okay, awesome. I'm about to say. Okay, I'm back again. That's what I'm going to call this video. Back again. Alright, I got the meat prepared. You're going to need a little bowl with water to help seal the dough. And you're also going to need a fork to help seal the dough, okay? I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Can you see? Can you see this pan? Yeah, y'all can see it, okay. And now it's time to stuff the empanadas. I use this. I think I use a smaller spoon. I had to clear a lot of videos out of my phone in order to get this phone to stay recording. So let's see how long it's going to record now. There's one empanada. Gotta get my rolling pin. Where's my rolling pin? Oh, there it is. Roll it out a little bit. I need this to sit the pen back in when I'm done. Okay. What you have to do is roll it out a little bit just to stretch it. So get some of the meat. Put it in the middle. A little bit more if you want. Extra filling. And you just fold it over. Oh, almost forgot one thing. You gotta wet your fingers and go around the edges so the dough can seal, okay? And once you do that, you fold it over. Get your little forky fork and press on the edges. Okay. And that's all it takes. See? One empanada is ready. Oh, where is my spatula? There it is. Where's my spatula? Come on, Karina, get with it, baby girl. Oh, there it is. Then you want to lift it so it don't stick to the pan. Okay. We can place it in another dish. Some wax paper. And just let it sit right here until you're ready to fry it. And do the next one. That's all. That's it. Not hard at all. But I do have to run to the store after I stuff them to go get some oil because I didn't realize I was out of oil. Yep. Oh. You can also bake them in the oven at 350 degrees. You gotta brush it with some egg white, I guess, or something like that, egg yolk or whatever. But I prefer to fry it. It's fast and easy. Water. So you you roll, you stuff, and you water it. Then you fold it. And then you smash it. That's not hard. Very easy, very simple. Try to make it as pretty as you can. Okay? And you lift it up and put it in another tray till you're ready to fry it. That's that. On to the next one. I'm gonna use them all. Yes, I am. This will be my dinner tonight. Is it still recording? Awesome. I think I finally fixed it. It's gonna be so delicious. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be in heaven. I made that one real fat. Stuff, water, and seal. And that's all she wrote. I made these little, but it's okay. The more you roll it out, the bigger it is. So I'm going to try to roll the next one out a little bigger and see if it gets bigger. But either way it goes, it's going in my stomach. That's 3 so far. Okay. Nope, I dropped a piece of meat. It's okay. A woman's work is never done. Always in the kitchen and having fun. Yeah, this is a nice size one. This one looks like a Jamaican beef patty. Let me stop. Jamaican beef patties are hard to make now. There's a lot of work into those. This is pretty simple. Come on, baby. Mama made you too big. Okay. How many more? 2 more. 1, 2 more. Okay. Then I'll be done. Then I'm going to take a break, run to the store, get some oil, and I'll be back to show you the finished results. And as always, thank you for watching CC's Kitchen. Almost finished. Just one more to go. The empanadas are so delicious. I don't know if any of y'all ever tried it or not, but if you want to try, you can just go to any Cuban restaurant and tell them to make you an empanada, and they will make it for you if you can't get to CC's Kitchen. Okay, so there's always some place you can buy it from, but it won't taste like mine, I'll tell you that much, because I have bought it before from the Cuban restaurant and I wasn't happy with it. It was more dough than it was meat. Yes, it was. And the dough was greasy. I like my stuff fried, but I don't want to have to taste the grease. Okay. And one more, and I'm done. Thank you, Jesus. Oh. All you have to do is say so. This is the last one, folks. And I got some meat left over. I can make some more empanadas. Smash, 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 smash. And I still need this. So I'm gonna put this last one. I'm about to throw it in the sink, child. Throw it in, Joe. Throw it in. Am I still recording? Yeah, I think I fixed the problem. Hey, I fixed the problem. I think I fixed the problem. Hey, I fixed the problem. Okay. Pick this up. Make sure this is flat and closed enough. Okay, that helps seize it. I need a tray. Not a tray. One little piece of paper. Let's put it right there. And that's it. That's the last empanada. Okay, folks. Thank you for watching. I'll be back once I fry them. Okay? There you go. Where's my spatula? Okay, folks, I got it in there frying. I'm back. Gotta go get that oil. See how these come out. I don't want it to burn, burn, baby, burn. They said cook about 3.5 minutes. And let's see. It's looking delicious. It looked small when I was making it, right? And now, as I put it in the fryer, it looked like it's rolled up. It's floating, yes it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, so I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer. Can you see it? They're cooking. And that's how you make empanadas. They say about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, but you just fry them until they brown, light brown. And then you know they're ready. So you're really cooking the dough because the inside is already, the meat is already cooked. So you're really just browning the dough. This one is really floating. Float, baby, float. I'll tell you, the more I do it, the better I get at it. That's why it's good to keep practicing. Let me sit down and have a salad with my empanadas. I think it's ready to take out. Oh. Smells so good. When I say good, I mean good. There's 3 of them. I'll bring it up close. You see it? I cut it off by mistake, I'm sorry. There it is up close and personal. Can you see it? It's hard to do this thing. There you go. Yep. Delicious. Now I gotta... Did I cut it off again? No. Okay. I need a camera person, so I don't have to go through all of this. Okay, now I gotta fry the other 3. And then I'm done. Give it a few minutes for that oil to heat back up. Beautiful day outside. Okay. Now it's time to put the other 3 in. One, 2, and 3. And that's all she wrote. It took a second, but it's done. It's so delicious. Empanada fever. Yes, baby, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Show me the love. Show me the love. Chicken empanadas at CC's, from CC's Kitchen. Now I can eat and relax. If you don't want to eat nothing with it, you don't have to, because everything is in here. You got your vegetables, you got your meat, you got your bread. One meal shop. One meal in one. And that's going to be it for that. I think it's time to take it out. I think it's time to come out. That's all she wrote, folks. Chicken empanada is prepared. Time to eat. Have a good day. Bye. Oh my God, I just ate one, but I had to take a video of this and show y'all. It's just delicious. Y'all must try it. Have a great day. Bye.